Howdy everybody. Today we're working on a quarter wave ground plane antenna for 40 meter. This one is center loaded. It means it has a coil in the middle of the vertical radial to shorten its overall length. This one is about 18 feet long, but still works on 40 meter. So let's hop over to the radio and we'll check it out. So the antenna is over here, hanging from this tree, but we'll go over there and see that in a second. I'm on 7.247.
Yeah, I'm at 247.05 right now. Yeah, copy that. Yeah,
So we've been able to make some contacts. I'm connected to the back of the radio, like a 40-foot long. I think this is RG58. Anyway, here's one of the radials right here. So this is my breadboard. This is what I've been working on. So what you're actually seeing here is all the white wires. Those are grounds for the ground radials. These are all banana jacks. I soldered them in place onto the PC board just so that it had more substantial hold, and it also put some epoxy on each one of the BNC jacks so that it really held into the board. And if you can tell, I kind of notched with a little Dremel tool. I made a notch into the PC board, so a lot of the BNC body, or sorry, the banana jack body sat into the board. It's a little notch here. Anyway, on the other side is the center conductor. There's no transformer since this is a quarter wave. It's resonant at 7.2 megahertz. So a little right angle BNC connector here. I'll flip over to the other side. So now you can see the center. Just go straight up to a red colored banana jack. I have a banana plug that starts the upper radial. These radials here are 16 feet, and it goes all the way up to that, and that's a coil for 33 microhenries. So we have initially a section that's 6 feet long, coil for 33 microhenries, and another section that goes up into the tree that's about 12 feet long. I'm gonna have to get a measurement. It's between 11 and 12 feet. All right, a little bit more detail on the coil. The coil is the form is from masking tape. It's nylon. It's 1 inch high and 3 1/4 inches around. And on that, I wrapped 12 turns of magnet wire. And I inserted a little screw here to tie off the magnet wire to the incoming line. There's a screw on this side, and there's also another screw up here on that side. So that continues on up. Coil in the middle. That's a 20 gauge magnet wire, by the way. And then all the way down to the base. With the network analyzer, it's, like I said, resonant at 7.2. I've been able to make a contact to Nevada, which is about 700 miles from my location here in Southern California. He was up in northern Nevada. So I've also been on 2 different nets, local nets to Southern California this morning. And they both said I was like just above the noise level, but that's to be expected. It's a G90. So the reason for this whole thing, the reason for doing this at all, is I wanted a highly compact, highly portable 40-meter antenna for international travel. I want to take the G90 and this antenna in a little small pouch. So everything about the antenna needs to fit in this pouch, and this pouch is like 4 by 6. It was a pouch for the network analyzer, the SAA2N Nano VNA, but I don't need the pouch anymore. The Nano VNA is actually in a hard case now instead of this thing, but what I want is all the radials, the circuit board, the vertical element, everything, including the coax, to live in here, and that's all I take, just this pouch and the G90 radio. So anyway, that's the idea. So yeah, we're working on it. We're still fine-tuning it, but eventually we'll dial it in. My SWR right now is 1.8, 1.7 at the best part of the 40-meter band, but I think playing around with the radials, maybe adding more, will lower that SWR just a little bit. But yeah, made a couple contacts already, so that's good. It's a working antenna. Everybody says it's working. I just, you know, because of the power of the G90, it's riding just above the noise level. The noise is pretty high this morning on 40-meter, but still making contacts, so that's good. All right, W6DKW out.